Isometric exercises are one of the most underrated ways to build strength and shape your body, yet they require no fancy equipment or long workout sessions. Unlike traditional exercises where you're constantly moving, isometric exercises involve holding your muscles in a fixed position under tension. This creates incredible strength gains, improves endurance, and helps sculpt lean, toned muscles. In this video, we're going to cover 4 powerful isometric moves that target your entire body. Whether you're a beginner or already into fitness, these exercises are simple to perform, joint-friendly, and perfect for doing at home. They'll help you improve your posture, build core stability, and enhance muscle definition faster than you think. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how long to hold each exercise for maximum results. Let's get started and transform your body together. Number 1. Dead hang. The dead hang is a simple yet powerful isometric exercise that strengthens your grip, shoulders, and upper back while improving posture and spine health. To perform it, find a sturdy pull-up bar and grab it with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Let your body hang freely, keeping your arms straight and your shoulders slightly engaged. Don't let them shrug up toward your ears. Engage your core to avoid swinging and hold the position for as long as you can while breathing steadily. Dead hangs are fantastic for increasing grip strength, which carries over to almost every other exercise. They also decompress your spine, helping to relieve tension from sitting or standing for long periods. Start with shorter holds of 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase your time as your strength and endurance improve. Number 2. Wall sits. Wall sits are a classic isometric exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes while building lower body strength and endurance. To perform this move, stand with your back against a sturdy wall and slide down until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and ensure your knees are aligned over your ankles, not pushing forward. Press your lower back into the wall and hold the position without shifting your weight. Wall sits not only strengthen your legs but also improve stability and mental toughness. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase their hold time as they build strength. Number 3. Glutes bridges. The glute bridge hold is a powerful isometric exercise that strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and core. To perform it, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Place your arms by your sides for stability. Press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top and hold this position, keeping your core engaged and your lower back neutral. This exercise not only builds strong glutes, but also improves hip stability, posture, and helps reduce lower back discomfort. Start with a 20 to 30 second hold and gradually increase as you get stronger. Number 4. Plank holds. The plank hold is one of the most effective isometric exercises for building core strength and overall stability. It targets your abs, obliques, lower back, shoulders, and even your glutes, making it a full-body exercise. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your legs extended behind you. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, avoiding any sagging at the hips or lifting your butt too high. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep your neck neutral by looking down at the floor. Hold this position as long as you can while breathing steadily. Planks help improve posture, reduce back pain, and enhance performance in other exercises. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase to a minute or more. For variety, try forearm planks by resting on your elbows instead of your hands, or add small movements like shoulder taps to increase difficulty. Consistent practice will lead to a stronger, more stable core and better overall body control. To get the most out of these isometric exercises, focus on maintaining proper form throughout each hold. Engage the targeted muscles fully rather than just staying in position. Start with shorter holds of 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase your time as your strength improves. Breathe steadily instead of holding your breath, as this helps maintain stability and prevents tension. Perform these exercises 2 to 3 times per week, giving your muscles enough time to recover. If you experience discomfort in your joints, adjust your position or reduce the hold time. Consistency is key. Regular practice will lead to better strength and endurance. By the way, friends, see you soon for more information.